Okay, and welcome back. This time we're going to have a little bit more of a play in that form we just made, and we're going to do a little bit of addition, and we're going to put in a switch function. So let's just get the form up, stick it over to the side, we'll get our task brief up, and we'll move it over a bit. So the first thing we need to do is we need to be able, in order to figure out if the cleaner's got more than 60 or less than 25 stars a month, we need to add up how many they've got. And to do that, we'll use a sum function. So you go to design, select text box, and I'm just going to draw a text box here. Bang, and there it goes. It looks about right there. Stick that there. I think that needs to come down a bit. Oh, you can spend so long just fiddling these about. It's not necessary, but there's something in me that just can't resist. Okay, so we're going to call it total job star rating, and I'm going to copy that text. This is super important. And then I'm going to bring up the form property box, and we're going to go to all. That's not the one I want. We're going to go to properties. Yeah, just straightforward properties will do us. And in name up here, there we go. We're going to call it job star rating label. Oh no, wait a minute. I was selecting no, just job star rating. There we go. Yep, and here job star rating label. Okay, so then what we're going to do in data of our unbound box is we're going to put our operator in and build an expression. So we go to functions, built-in functions, and we're going to use a sum function. A bit like a spreadsheet, we're going to add things together. So we click on sum, and at this stage we've not actually had to really write anything. So once we've clicked sum, it'll come up here with expression. So I'm going to highlight expression, and I'm going to go here to form, rating, subform, and I'm going to look down for job star rating. Now again, we can differentiate between the label and the actual bit where the stuff happens, and we want this bit. And I'm going to click there, and I'm going to click OK. And it just puts it straight into where it needs to be. I'm then going to click view, and bingo, it's added it all together. Save. Now, you're going to be wondering why I'm going to close it down. Well, it's now taken the information in, and sometimes when I've done this, it doesn't always bring up the next box when I want to do my next expression. So I just do that. It's the way I work. It works for me. It may work for you. I would recommend, you're not going to really lose anything by doing it my way. So here comes the next one, and this is the rocket sciencey one. I will just let you into a little thing. This is my second take because I didn't do so well on the first take. These things happen. We show resilience. We get on with it. So I'm going to call this training or bonus, and I'm just going to copy that again. Yeah, it needs to be tidied up, but hey ho. And then I'm going to label, and then I'm going to go to the unbound box here, and I'm going to call it or bonus. Now that's all done. Happy days. We need these named, so let's build it. So we need a command which says that when the cleaner receives more than 60 stars per month, they're given a bonus, or when they relieve 25 stars or less, they're sent on a training course. Now, yeah, you could use an if statement. We're not going to. We're going to use a switch statement. I just find these are slightly easier to build. So, total star rating is less than 25, then training required. Total star rating greater than or equal to 60, then bonus required, and total star rating less than or equal to 59, then no action needed. Okay, you don't need that third one, but I'm putting it in there for completeness. Total job start. So as you can see, what I'm doing is I'm just slowly building it up. I'm using the mathematical operators here. Greater than, less than, equals, greater than, yeah. And what happens? And then I'm starting to try and almost build it, but not quite. Okay, you'll see I'm now putting in my commas and my bunny ears. Okay, so let's do this, and I'm going to show you, yeah, this is a way I kind of like to do it. So I'm going to click on my unbound box, I'm going to go to data, and I'm going to go to control source. And functions, built-in functions, and I'm going to go all the way down to, it's here somewhere, there you go, switch. And it's going to give us that. So I'm just going to get rid of these because, well, we don't need them for the moment. I'm then going to go back to my rating subform. Now I've had it before where if I don't save and close the form, and sometimes the database, the total job star rating that I've already added doesn't appear here. So that's why I've done that. Okay, so total job star rating. So we need a comma, bunny ears. Oh no, we don't. Okay, total job star rating is less than or equal to 25, comma, bunny ears, training, required, close bunny ears. Okay. So I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. And you're going to go, but you've not finished it. And I'm going to go, yeah, I know I've not finished it. I want to test that works first. And we'll go and find somebody with, oh yeah, okay, Cedric Hearn. Yeah, he's done a grand total of 11 jobs, and apparently he's not the world's greatest cleaner. So training course definitely required for old Cedric there. So I'm going to save that. We know that works. Okay, so we're going to go back here now, and we're going to add in the next bit. So we put a comma, and this starts the next part of the switch statement. So comma, total job star rating, comma, oh no, I've done it wrong again. I'm appalling. Oh man, I'm bad. Greater than or equal to 60, comma, bunny ears, training, required, close bunny ears. So that's my second expression. I'm just going to copy it again. And so far so good. It's taken it in the box. No error messages. Okay, so let's find somebody. Okay. So we've got a little error here. Or do we? Yeah, we've got an error here. So let's go and have a look at why that's gone wrong. So total job star rating. It's greater than, it's not gone wrong, it's gone right. Here you see the problem is actually behind the computer. It's me. It's bonus. This is why we always test things. Okay, there we go. Let's have a look. Yeah, there we go. Bonus required. Happy days. So one more and we're done. Okay, so going to go back here, go to data, build expression. Right, let's see if I can do this completely right. Okay, so comma, we're starting a new switch statement. Total job star rating. Now, we want this to be less than or equal to 59, comma, bunny ears. And we're going to go with the statement, no actions needed. Okay, and that finishes that. So again, I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to click OK. So far so good. Hit save. Let's see it working. Yeah, there we go. So what we've got is that's working now. So we now have an output which shows when people need a bonus, when people need training, and when they just need to get on with the job and perhaps just improve so they can get that bonus. Now, does this satisfy anything? Well, yeah, it does actually. It satisfies a big chunk of the more complicated aspect of the database, which is that. So we've got that, and we've got our switch function, so we can now build a switch function. And basically, any switch function just follows the same concept. So when you do your controlled assessment and you've got your downtime from that, you can come to here and you've got how to write a switch statement. I mean, yeah, you've got a sum statement there, you know, nice and easy. Okay, so the next video we'll do is we'll look at creating some queries. I'm going to look at most of the queries next, and what we'll do is we'll build the queries and we will look at creating forms off them. Okay, so thank you for watching. Hey, why not like and subscribe to the channel, and no doubt there'll be lots more fun stuff to come. Thank you very much, and I'll see you all later. Bye.